Hi everyone, I am teacher Kyle M. Ramos from BBE 312, and this is my reflection for 2 PBE 18 Principles and Method of Teaching Values Education. First, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to Professor Marte for all the patience and invaluable lesson throughout this term. The experience felt like a roller coaster ride of creating lesson plan and assessment. Now, as I write this reflection, it feels as I have finally reached the end of the long journey. Pero hindi pa siya tapos, mahaba pa. Ang naging realization ko habang gumagawa ng lesson plan ay nasa kapay nating mga future teacher ang paghubog sa susunod na henerasyon. Na pagtanto ko rin na hindi lamang ito tungkol sa pagtuturo ng kaalaman, kundi pagtuturo ng values o tamang mga asal na makakatulong sa kanilang paglaki. Habang ginagawa ko ang pag-lesson plan, nakita ko kung paano kahalaga ang bawat detalye mula sa layunin hanggang mga gawain, kung paano ito nakakapekto sa paraan ng pagkatuto ng mga estudyante. Mahirap man ang proseso, lalo na sa pag-isip ng mga makabulong gawain, nalalaman ko na ang bawat hirap ay may kapalit na ginhawa kapag nakita kong natututo ang mga estudyante. I have learned and internalized the importance of aligning teaching approaches and strategies with depth and learning competency, or ang DLC na tinatawag nating BOSS. This alignment is essential for creating impactful lessons that resonate with students and meet educational standards. Although I still find it hard and challenging to design engaging and effective activities, I am committed to continuous practice and improvement. I know that mastering these skills is a process, and I am determined to refine my methods before stepping into the field as a full-time educator. This journey has reaffirmed my dedication to become a teacher who not only imparts knowledge but also inspire values and develop in my students.